Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay, my name is Anne Marie and I'm going to be your nurse today.
Okay,
Today, our assessment is going to be to listen to your heart sounds. Is that okay?
that's fine.
All right. Before we do, let me just drape the curtain so you can have some privacy, as well as I'll wash my hands. All right. So what we're going to do today is to assess the sounds of your heart using the diaphragm of my stethoscope. But before I do so, can you just state your full name for me again?
Dexter Johnson.
Okay, thank you. All right, let me clean my stethoscope. All right, so today we're gonna start by listening to the aortic area of your heart, and this is right below the clavicle at the second intercostal space, and this is on the right sternal border. All right, next we'll move over to the left sternal border, and we're still at the second intercostal space. This is the pulmonic area. And this is the area where the dub sound is heard louder in both the aortic and the pulmonic area. Then we'll go to the Erb's point, and this is at the third intercostal space, and this is the area where the base of the heart is separated from the apex. Next we move to the tricuspid area, and this is at the fourth intercostal space. And in the tricuspid area, the lub sound is heard louder. Next we move over to the mitral area, and this is at the fifth intercostal space. Okay, so Mr. Johnson, we can say that there was no spacing heard between the heartbeats. No splitting heard between the S1 and S2 sounds at the closing of the valves. So what we're going to do next, we're going to check your pulse rate, and I'm going to do so for 1 full minute. Okay, so the pulse rate is 78. The normal is usually between 60 to 100, so your pulse is good. Overall, I must say that your heart sounds were normal. There was nothing abnormal, no abnormal sounds that I picked up. All right?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.